Hi there and welcome back to Money Via. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It really helps out the channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to create professional videos absolutely free using AI tools. So if you're ready to get started, let's dive right in. Step 1 is creating a script for our video. Let's head over to ChatGPT at chatgpt.com. For this example, we're going to create a video script on how to stay productive working from home. As you can see, the AI is generating a detailed script based on the topic I've chosen. Once the script is done, review it to make sure it fits your style and needs. If everything looks good, we're ready to move on. Now we need some voiceovers for our script. To do this, copy the lines from your script and head over to ElevenLabs, an AI-powered voice generation tool. Just paste your script, choose a voice that fits your style, and hit Generate Speech. You can use different voices or stick to one, totally up to you. For this video, I'm generating a voiceover for the intro and the first few tips. Now it's time to pick the best voice for your video. Let's listen to a few samples. First up we have Daniel. Play a sample of Daniel's voice. Not bad, but let's try Olivia's voice. Play a sample of Olivia's voice. Much better. The tone fits perfectly. Once you've chosen your favorite, click Generate Speech for each line in your script. Now that we have our script and voiceovers, it's time to bring everything together. Use a free video editing tool like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve to combine the audio with your visuals. Add some stock footage, animations, or slides to keep your video engaging. Show screen recording of a video editor timeline with voiceovers and visuals. Keep playing around until everything fits just right. Once you're done, export the video, and you're all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with others. I've got tons of free content coming up to help you grow your online presence using AI. Thanks for watching Money Via, and I'll see you in the next video.